Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is How Do Objects Move? So let's begin. Let's read this box first. These Ferris wheel lights look blurry when they are in motion. How does this Ferris wheel move? So, how do this Ferris wheel move? They go round and round. The wheels go round and round. So let's write round and round over here. Round and round. Now we are going to learn two new vocabulary words, and those are motion and force. I would explain to you what is motion and what is force. So you may write over here motion and over here force. Now let's read the lesson. Things in motion. Look at all the things in motion. Motion is movement. You may please underline this. Motion is movement. When something is in motion, it is moving. Planes fly fast. A turtle walks slowly. Speed is the measure of how fast something moves. So, what is motion? Motion is movement. If something is moving, that means it is in motion. Motion is movement. When something is in motion, it is moving. When you walk from one place to another, you are in motion because you are moving. And what is speed? Speed is something of how fast something moves. So it is a measure of how fast something moves. Now, for example, planes fly really fast. But does a turtle walk as fast as planes? No. So speed is a measure of how fast something moves. Now let's read this yellow box. Circle two things that move fast. Now let's look at this. Which are the two things that moves fast? One is the I can see over here now. And one more thing that goes really fast is this. Can you see? The boy and the girl are going really fast on the slide. So let's circle this because of the log. They're going really fast. Log is actually a wood. That's why they're going really fast. And two things that are slow are turtle and the slide. Okay. Because of log, they are going fast, but the slide is slow. Pam went on 3 rides. This graph shows how long she waited for each ride. In carousel, she waited for 20 minutes. In teacups, she waited for 10 minutes. And on swings, she waited for 40 minutes. So let's write the answer. Which ride which ride had the shortest wait? Which ride had the shortest wait? Teacups. Teacups. How does the graph tell you how does the graph tell you? Because how do we know that it was the shortest? Because the bar is short. Because the bar is short. It's your move. Objects can move in many ways. They can move in straight line, zigzag, back and forth, or round and round. So objects can move in many ways. So one is straight line. Look at this straight line. Draw the arrow. Do you see how straight they're going on the roller coaster? Over here and on the bumpy ride, they are going zigzag. They're going zigzag. And on this ride, I guess we call this ride boat ride. They are going back and forth, back and forth. So that's your back and forth ride. And in this Ferris wheel, they are going round and round. They are going round and round. You need to draw arrows. This is very important to know. We go in motions in a particular way, and there are many ways you can go. That is straight line, zigzag, back and forth, round and round. Motion can happen in these four ways: straight line, zigzag, back and forth, round and round. So these are the four ways motions can happen. To draw over here back and forth and zigzag, round and round, straight line. So back and forth, for back and forth you will draw back and forth is two arrows. Zigzag is one arrow in the end, and round is one arrow in the middle, two arrows in the middle, and straight line is one arrow in the end. For back and forth, you will draw two arrows so that you know it's back and forth. But when you start from here, you go straight. But in back and forth, you can go again back. So that's why we have made two arrows. Look at each picture of objects. Circle the one that goes fast. Let's circle the one that goes fast. Obviously, plane goes faster than the bird, and car goes faster than the cycle. You can do this with your mother. You need to find the match for the word and its meaning. So speed is a measure of how fast something moves. You need to join speed with this compartment and motion train with this compartment. It means is when something is moving. It's easy. The word web below. The way things move. As we have learned before, the four ways how things can move. They have already done zigzag for us. So one is round and round, round and round. The other one is back and forth, back and forth. And the other one is straight line. These are the four motions we learned. Straight line. I hope it was helpful, boys and girls. Thanks for watching.